Wilbur Gunaraj.
வணக்கம் எல்லாரும் சௌக்கியமா இருக்கீங்களா? நான் வந்து வில்பர் சர்குணராஜ் பேசுறேன். Hello everybody, I am Wilbur Sargunaraj. Today I want to do very important thing right now to show you a very important thing about the India. Many foreigners who come to the country, they want to know how to use a toilet in India. So today I'm going to show you how to use the Indian style toilet, Eastern style toilet. Western style toilet irukku, Eastern style toilet irukku. The Western style toilet is little bit comfortable for people to sit down. Eastern style is very little bit difficult, but it is the way that we operate in India. So please come follow me. இது வந்து ஒரு டிபிக்கல் ஈஸ்டர்ன் ஸ்டைல் லட்ரின் இது. ஓகே, இது வந்து தமிழ்ல வந்து சொல்லுவோம் கக்கூஸ்னு சொல்லுவோம். ரைட் ஹியர். ஓகே, so this place right here, usually இங்க வந்து ஒரு பக்கெட் இருக்கும். பக்கெட்டுக்குள்ள ஒரு டிப்பர் இருக்கும், இல்லாட்டி மக். ஓகே, inside there they call it the dipper. It's a dipper. We call this in Tamil Nadu, in India we call this a dipper, or we call this a mug. Okay, we use this. I will show you what we all do with this. இங்க வந்து தண்ணி இருக்கு, டேப் இருக்கு. And so this is the typical style latrine, kakus. So when you go to the kakus, when you first come inside, you must lock the door. Okay, and then what you must do is, some people say sit like this. This is incorrect. You must not sit like this, because then everything will be in the front. Okay, not like this. You must not sit this. You see the hole? There is a hole right there. அங்க ஒரு ஹோல் இருக்கு. அந்த ஓட்டைக்குள்ளனா இப்படி பின்னாடி திரும்பி இப்படிதான் உட்காரணும். You must sit like this, the hole facing back like this. Okay, so then you take the pant off and then you squat. Okay, குனிஞ்சு இப்படி உட்காரணும். You have to sit like this. So you sit like this and then நீங்க வந்து எல்லாம் business முடிச்சிருங்க. Okay, you finish everything, finish the business, and then after you finish, now this is very subject that lot of people பக்கத்துல வாங்க. இப்போ வந்து இந்த டாபிக்ல வந்து நிறைய பேர் வந்து they don't want to discuss. ஏன்னா அது வந்து சும்மா டாபுன்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. ஃபாரின்ல டாபு, it is taboo.
Terminology.
In India there is no toilet paper. இங்க வந்து இந்த Kleenex இந்த toilet paperல ஒண்ணும் கிடையாது. There is no toilet paper in the latrine. There is only water and the dipper. So we use the water to wash, okay, not the toilet paper, and we use the left hand to do the cleaning. I will show you how to. The foreigners வந்து இது ரொம்ப முக்கியம். It is very important for the foreigners to know, because they are a lot of times confused and very embarrassed to ask the people how to use this. So we take some water and then we clean. We take a left hand and then we pour. And then we clean with the left hand. Okay, some people go from the front, some people go from the back, but we clean like this. Now, very important. Do not just use the hand without the water. That is inappropriate. You must use water. It's a very clean method. Okay, so use the water. While you are pouring the water, நீங்க வந்து clean பண்றீங்க. Okay, that is the way to do the business in the toilet, in the latrine. It is very important. So that is how you do the toilet. It is a very clean method. On the toilet paper பண்றம்போது, if you do the toilet paper, it's not very clean. But in the water, everything is clean. And when you wash with the hand, everything is clean. Now people, they sometimes think that this is very not very good method, and it's very they don't like it. But that's why we have some soap. So after every time, இது வந்து மைசூர் சாண்டலா இது இல்ல தெரியல. ஆமா, சாண்டல்வுட் சோப் தான் இது. சாண்டல்வுட் சோப். ஓகே, so you take the soap, you must take the soap and you must wash your hands very clean. Okay, it is very important for you to, after you finish the business, to wash your hands very clean, and then after that you have a first class experience. Very good. ரொம்ப நன்றி. Thank you for watching this program. I hope that you understand how to use the Eastern latrine. It's a very good method, very clean, and it's very good for the environment. No use of the toilet paper, just a little bit of water, and make sure that you wash the left hand. That is why in the India, when you do the greeting, you do not touch a person with the left hand. You always shake hand with the right hand and don't use your left hand that often. ரொம்ப நன்றி இந்த program watch பண்றதுக்கு. Thank you very much for watching this program. I hope this has been a very informational experience for you.
Wilbur Gunaraj.